Okay, double horse RC helicopter. We'll do a quick test flight of it. Check it out. This is the coaxial helicopter. So there you have it. Easy to fly. It's got a little bit of vibration in it, but other than that, it's a nice little helicopter for the price. Now it is a coaxial helicopter, so on your controls you have the throttle on your left side like this. You have what would be your ailerons on an airplane, or your right roll, left roll on your helicopter. What it does is it spins one rotor spinning one way with one motor, the other rotor spinning the opposite direction with another motor. When you move it left and right, it slows one to cause the helicopter to turn. That's the only control you have other than the tail motor. When you push forward or reverse, when you push forward, the tail comes up and kind of pitches it on the hover, and it lets it float forwards, and then when you pull back, then it tips it back to let it go in reverse. And that's the only control you have. You turn it and pitch it the way that you want to go. It's a good learning helicopter to get used to giving throttle and flying. All in all, it's not a bad toy for the price. Thanks for watching Field Sketch. Rate and subscribe at the bottom.